So, good day everyone. First of all, I would like to introduce myself, and my name is Prince Zere R. Ohidor, and I am a student from the University of Mindanao. Today, I would like to share my thoughts and insights regarding about selected topic. And it's not just a topic, but this topic means to me. And it is all about water pollution. Many of us use water every day for our daily lives and for our daily needs. And to think about, according to Michael in the Journal of Biological Chemistry, I think page 158, is that 60% of the human adult body is water. We consume water every day, which totally means that it is important not only us but also to the organisms in our environment, especially marine lives. However, did we ever came up in our mind to think about the situation of our water? Did we still have the concern of our water sources or even the organisms that lives in the water environment? As we all know, water pollution is one of the most very common issues and concern nowadays. These affect marine lives, and not just that, but also we humans, which has the tendency that we will suffer in the future if we will not stop or prevent the factors that may affect or that may cause the water contamination. And if you search on social medias, scan on newspapers, or even read articles about water pollution, we will see many waters or water sources such as ocean, lakes, streams, seas, and etc. that is polluted, which we can say that how terrible us human it is. We can see such lakes and streams full of plastic bottles, nets, harmful substance, or even chemicals. We can see also contaminated seas, which there's an oil spill or even the release of toxic waste in the sea, and so on and so forth. We can't imagine the big damage we cause to our environment, especially water sources. And not just that, but we also harm the organisms within it. Just as you can see in this picture. And it's not just that, but also many organisms are suffering from these certain things that contaminates their habitats. There are also cases that we humans bear the consequences, which we get disease from the ingested contaminated water. And it has the worst tragic case, which a people will lead to death because of some sort of bacteria came from contaminated water, which gives illness to person, which cause him or her die. We always need to put it in our mind that we are only dependent to our environment. Everything that we have now is came from the environment, which we have the responsibility to take care of it, especially the water sources or the water resources. Because this is where we get our lives. This is where, or this makes us live up until now, in which water has a big role in our lives. So what would we do if our water lost or it will be contaminated? Do we still have the chance to live? Or what about the organisms that lives in the water or even uses it? Do we still have the food to eat. Before everything ends in regret, we need to start now in ourselves. We need to change the habits that harms our environment, especially our our water our water sources. We need to prevent and stop the factors that causes the water pollution. We need to think of some sort of idea to dispose our waste without harming our environment. We need to start within ourselves. My dear fellow humans, we are only depending to what our Mother Earth produces. We need to not fail as humans. We need to take care of it because just like this water ripple illustration, in a single bottle disposed in the ocean will give a big negative impact, not just to our environment, but also to our biodiversity. So that's all. Thank you.